Excited to show you in this video a Ford Explorer ST Covert Edition, as well as our new signage that is a game changer. Let's go. A beauty right here before us, and Mr. Brad Akins, we love him so much. Thank you for all that you do for the dealership and for us at Willies and Akins. He and Kevin Myers put us some new signage up out here on the delivery pad just to make the experience that much better. That's why we're the best, y'all, because Akins is all about the details too. A great repeat customer of Greg Fields, we hooked him and his wife up with a Gate Black 2022 Akins Ford Explorer ST. Now notice up front, customer wanted to delete the blue and chrome, delete the red on the ST, so did a complete blackout. Even inside the headlight there is some chrome in there, so deleted that very subtly. The front Ford emblem as well, obviously. Did not opt for doing the moldings. What we did, cleaned it up quite nicely. I'm coming back to the wheels and tires, I promise you, but these tail lights were predominantly red throughout, all the way down this side too, and we definitely made it a game changer, definitely made it a Covert by doing our custom paint package in a Gate Black on this outer edge as well as on the inlay. That middle part is not there to break up the reverse and turn signal from the brake light. Ford emblem, the blue and chrome, is now all a Gate Black. Looks amazing. Now, if you don't know about the Explorer ST, take note of the 400 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque Diamond with all-wheel drive, a very sporty and luxurious, but also fun to drive family vehicle that hauls 6 people and can go fast. Got to show you under the hood because it's an impressive power plant. 3-liter twin turbo coming from both sides, air intake there, looking amazing. Tower strut bar. You know if this is on a vehicle, it's legit because you got so much power. You need to strengthen and give you more overall integrity from all this torque. With the key in proximity, go underneath the hitch here, put your foot underneath, and voila, magic. Lifts up, so if you got groceries in your hand, it'll lift up with just a kick of a foot, and then you've got your power fold for your third row for great convenience. When the third row is folded down, you have adequate storage for groceries, ball equipment, etc. Magic. Did not lower this one, but we love to lower the ST for even better handling and performance. So keep in mind, even if you're on a budget, you can lower these pretty easily to fill that void in between the wheel well and the top of the tire and just give it a better look and overall better handling package. Niche Gamma wheel in 22-inch. The ST comes with 21s, which, you know, to me is a little bit of a problematic thing because you got 21-inch tires that are kind of harder to find. This Falcon Z05 high performance tire is easy to get a hold of. 235, 40, 22, y'all. You know, like Luda says, you can't lose with a 22. So we upgraded from 21s to 22. Still handles and performs great. Check out the from the factory red brake calipers that are made larger for better overall performance and braking, because when you go fast, you got to be able to stop fast as well. Now let's jump to the inside. Now let's jump in and show you a legit interior. You think of Explorer, possibly, you don't think of performance, but I'm here to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, Real Deal Neal thinks and knows that this is a legit SUV offering from Ford in a mid-size SUV segment that's going to give you a smile every single time. Glossy black interior with a iPad-like tablet that's a vertical standpoint that has all the infotainment you could possibly need in the Sync 4 system. Fully digital gauge cluster on the center stack there. I love the steering wheel. It's smaller in diameter, has the bolsters here on the side. The ST badge lets you know we mean business from Ford Performance. All the creature comforts, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitor, see it right there. So you've got all the safety features. You've got all the amenities you could ask for, plus leather seats, B&O audio, ST embossed in the seat as well with a contrast stitching, captain chairs, second row, fold down third row. It's got it all. Twin panel moonroof. When the light hit the ice, it twinkles and glistens. You back this bad boy up, open the roof up top for a whole different vibe. When you hear Ford Performance, you know it's got drive mode. So here's your modes, and in your center stack there, it cycles between eco, normal, slippery, trail, and my favorite, sport. Let's ride. That's it for today. Ford Explorer ST. If you're in the SUV market, put this one on your ticket to do more research on, or just stay tuned for more by hitting that subscribe button. Try to bring you more Covert Edition action on Explorers. We have a iconic silver we're working on for the lot coming up next. So for everything auto, we're your source. Peace out.